yo day and welcome back to my channel. As you can see in the title down below, I am going to be showing you guys how I attempt to do my high puff. So I know a lot of you have been asking how I do my little high puff, you know, how I do my thing, and I'm going to be showing you guys a little high puff tutorial on how I do it. I know right now my puff is probably not going to be too big because I don't know, it's been acting up lately. I don't got time for it right now, but I do want to show you guys, you know, the products that I use just to do it, you know, just the little here and there's. But before we do hop into this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on that post notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. So yeah, we're just really gonna hop right into it. So the first thing that I do, of course, is take down my hair, shake it up, touch it. My hair is kind of dry. This is deep condition week for me because I didn't get to deep condition yet. But oh my God, I love passing my fingers through my hair. So I'm just looking at it and doing all that stuff, whatever. Then I'm gonna go in with my Texture ID styling cream. This styling cream is bomb, y'all. Like, it is the best styling cream I've ever came across. Shout outs to Half African Beauty for introducing me to this styling cream. It is a very heavy, thick consistency, so it's very good when you're doing puffs. I know for me, when I did my wash and go, it didn't really work that well, but just to style and like lay down your hair in general, it's very good. So I'm just passing a little bit of styling cream in the front of my head and the back as well. I don't really put too much, but I put a good amount to know that I know my hair is going to stay up for a while. So that's just me making sure it's all good, all in there, in the back, just like that. Then I'm going to go in with some water. I'm going to mist the back of my head a little bit. I'm going to do the same thing for the front, just like that. Get it all in there and nice. Then I'm just passing my hands through it, making sure that the front of my head is at least damp enough so when I put it up, it's kind of slick. Then next, I'm going to go in and I'm going to pick my hair. So I like to take time to pick out my hair, make sure I pick out the middle, especially because I typically part my hair in the middle a lot, so that line is usually there naturally. So I'm just going in and I'm picking out, make sure I pick the front, the back, the middle, the side, all around to make sure that my puff is nice and big and has enough volume. Then I'm going to go in with my brush. This is a very soft, brittle brush. I don't like to go in with hard brushes because I think that they do mess with the front of your head and the back of your head and will like rip out the hair. So I just like to go in with my soft brush. It does work pretty good for me. I don't need no hard brush to get all them goodies up in that big nice puff. So now that I'm done brushing, I'm gonna go in with my little scrunchie that I did cut in half. And typically I just cut it in half because it makes my puff tighter and it defines it well. So I'm just going to go in, push it from the back, and then I'm going to tie it in the front just like that. And I'm going to continuously push it up to make sure that it's high enough to my liking. Just like that. That's just me fixing it. I hate the fact that in the front of my head it is kind of long. I don't know. That always happens to me. But I'm just tucking it in, making sure it's tight just enough, touching the sides to make sure it's sleek. Then I'm going to go in and try to mess with the front and pick it so it's not long. And then the rest of my hair is puffy because I hate that. Then I'm going to go in and I'm going to pick my hair out again, once again, to make sure that puff has good volume because I love big hair, y'all. I adore having big hair. Like, I just love it so much. Yeah, this piece in the front is just bothering me. I don't even know what was going on. That's just me checking it. Next, I'm going to go in with my Ebin Edge Control 24-hour tamer. This right here, y'all, oh my God. This edge control is bomb. And next, I'm going to go in with my edge control brush just to use to do my edges. I definitely love that Ebin Edge Control because, y'all, like, it really slicks down my edges. I remember using other types of edge controls and it did not work because my hair curls up so quickly. Like, even my edges itself curl up so quickly. So it is pretty annoying. So what I did there was that I just brushed down my edges so I know exactly what I'm going to swoop up. And I showed you guys that pink head tie because that is the cotton head tie that I typically use to lay down my edges. And yeah, I'm just going in with the edge control just like that. Y'all, like I said, I'm not the edge control queen. I'm not the edge queen, so I really don't know really how to do my edges. I'm still in the process of learning, so bear with me. But I just swoop it up just like that, to be honest. Like, I really don't do nothing too big. I don't do nothing too little. I just do something that is just right. Just like that, pretty much. And I'm basically just going to be doing that throughout the rest of my head. So, yeah. So I am just going to pick my hair one more time after I do my edges. And this is me just showing you guys how I did them. Nice, quick, and easy edges. I think they're pretty cute. So I'm showing you guys the cotton head tie that I do use to lay down my edges. And I'm just folding it up so it can just lay on the edges itself, just like that. To be honest, this is a really cute head tie. I never realized how cute it was. It's a bandana, actually. So now I'm just going to wait a few minutes. So now that those minutes are up, this is basically the final results, y'all. This is how my puff is looking. This is how I do my high puff. This is just a little side view of my edges, just showing you guys how it looks. It looks pretty laid down to me. I don't like tight puffs as much, but this is just me being a clown. I really think I do look cute. But of course, go hit that subscribe button. I love you guys. Bye, guys.